Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is a channel about studying abroad, getting scholarships and building a successful career. My name is Ira, and if you have watched my previous videos, you might know that I have studied in the United Kingdom and won 5 full scholarships to study abroad for free. And now I have my YouTube channel to tell you how to do same. That's why today we are going to talk about 6 the most generous scholarships in the world to study master degree. And also we're going to talk about their own characteristics, what they do and what they provide and how to win them, taking into account the qualities of the students they are looking for as well as the main requirements. But the main general thing about all of these scholarships is that they are really generous and they're really big, and they can make your dream to study abroad come true. So, talking about the first one is the scholarship of the United States government, which is Fulbright. Fulbright is one of the most popular scholarships for international students in the United States, and it's providing money and financial support for students to study at the master degree level in one of the universities in the United Kingdom. The scholarship fund was founded in 1946, and since that time, more than 3,100 people got the scholarship and get opportunities to study in the United States for free. This scholarship covers the flights, tickets, medical insurance, the cost of studies in the United States, the cost of living expenses, and some other expenses that you might have during your studies. The good thing about this scholarship is that you also have opportunity to study and then to work a little bit after your studies, like a special internship. However, you must return home for a minimum of 2 years after you finish your education. This kind of requirement is imposed because the United States invest money into your personality, into your professional background, and that's why they want you to come back to your own country and bring some significant changes there. If you don't want to do this, maybe this scholarship is not really suitable for you, so you have to choose another one. But to be honest, from my experience, we do have some mentors in our academy that have studied with this scholarship. This is a really nice opportunity because also of the networking that this scholarship provides. The next scholarship that I also tried to apply, but the first my attempt wasn't really successful, in contrast to the second one, is the Erasmus Mundus scholarship, which is really popular and which is aimed to the exchange of international students. This scholarship was founded in 1987, and since that time many students get this opportunity to study during this program. This program is not also a scholarship, this program is a program itself, so you can study and pay for this. However, if you don't have enough funds, you can apply for scholarship from Erasmus Mundus and get financial support, which is, to be honest, really competitive. But this scholarship is unique because it offers you opportunity to study not only at the program itself, but also change the universities during the program. Erasmus Mundus program is aimed normally to the exchange of international students. That's why you can get a degree from many universities during your master program. For example, you can study European law and economics, and you can change university every semester. That's why you can study in Spain, in Norway, in Germany, in the United Kingdom at the same time during your master degree, and change your seat, change your country and university every semester. So that's why you have to be ready to move a lot, you have to be ready to change countries, to meet new people, you have to be flexible, and maybe it's not really the best scholarship for immigration, because when you want to immigrate you have to be able to assimilate to the culture really fast, and this program doesn't really give you these opportunities. However, it does give you other opportunities which are really nice for people who want to have more networking and better knowledge in the particular field. So this program offers a lot of covering of your expenses, like medical insurance, flights, expenses of residence, normal living expenses, and cost of studies itself. And the good thing about Erasmus Mundus is that you don't need to come back to your own country for any time. And the next scholarship is the EADEA scholarship, which is German Academic Exchange Service, and and since its founding in 1925, more than 3 million people have studied with the help of this fund, having some scholarships or some financial aid. And this scholarships is also aimed to the students that want to study in Germany, to bring some new knowledge to Germany or to get knowledge from Germany and come back their own countries. However, there is no requirement in this scholarship that you have to come back home for some particular time. By the way, I have additional video about this scholarship on my channel, so if you would like to get more information, don't hesitate to go and to get more information about this scholarship. Next scholarship is a scholarship in the country of tulips, which is Orange Tulip Scholarship that you can have in Netherlands. And this scholarship is normally provided with the collaboration of universities, because it's collaborating with more than 20 universities in the Netherlands, and each university itself determines the amount of scholarship that they are ready to give. So that means it's not really possible to say what this scholarship covers, because it can be their tuition fees like 100% or can be just 20 or 50%. You have to check out before you apply. However, it's difficult to say that there is a scholarship that would cover everything, like 100% of education plus living expenses, but normally they're still really generous and they don't require you to come back to your home country, which is a really good sign as well. The next scholarship is a scholarship from France, Eiffel Scholarship. This scholarship is also aimed to attract international students to France and is provided by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of France. And the amount of this scholarship is 1,181 euro a month. And this scholarship does not cover tuition fees, it's only covering this kind of expenses you can have during your studies, and also one international flight, medical insurance, and some cultural activities that you might have as a scholar of this scholarship. But if you might be interested what you're going to do with this tuition fees, they're not really big in France if you study in the French language, and also they're not really big in these state universities. However, if you prefer to study in the private university or to study in English, then they might be really high, like 20,000 or even more. So it's up to you what you choose. Would you like to study in the French state university in the French language, or you would like to study in a private school? Then the cost will depend. And the last one but not least is South Korean Global Career Scholarship, which is really famous now for many students who would like to study in Korea. This scholarship is really generous because it covers all your expenses during your studies, even if you study 4 years, because you can study even with bachelor degree with the help of this scholarship. And also it covers your flights, your medical insurance, all your expenses. It also gives you one allowance in the amount of around 180 euro when you just come to the country, and then also the allowance for the language course, because you can study Korean language and you must study it if you use this scholarship during the first year. And also you will get the allowance for publishing and printing your coursework, which is really a lot of money if you do it yourself, and many other perks and any other benefits you might get from this scholarship. And this scholarship is both for master program and for bachelor program. It just depends what you would like to study, and also it's sometimes possible for some really difficult directions like architecture and pharmaceuticals. That's why it's really worth applying. And even you might not need to know Korean language, it's enough to use a language that you would like to study at, for example English, and then you just study your Korean language during the first year being in the Republic of Korea. So guys, now we consider it the most generous scholarships in the world that would allow you to study abroad for free for your master degree level. And if you like this video, please don't hesitate to push the like button and to subscribe to my channel, not to miss other videos. And also let me know in the comments other topics you would like to have other videos on, and I would be really happy to make them for you. So guys, see you next video, and thank you for your attention. Bye.